Two heavyweight marketing platforms go head-to-head, but which one actually gives you the edge? On the left, GetResponse, the all-in-one solution for webinars and marketing automation. And on the right, Omnisend, the e-commerce powerhouse for email and SMS. Let's skip past the marketing fluff and dig into what really matters. We'll score each category so you'll know exactly where each tool shines and who's the real winner. The winner might just surprise you.
All right, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, here's a mind map of how we're going to compare these two. We're talking pricing and value, features, automation and ease of use, customer support, e-commerce capabilities, integrations, and, yep, reporting and analytics. Got it? Let's roll. So, first up, pricing and value. GetResponse actually comes in with a 30-day free trial, and their free plan supports up to 500 contacts. If you're willing to pay annually, there's a discount, which is always nice. But honestly, their paid plans do start a bit higher if you're looking for e-commerce stuff, which could be a letdown if you're tight on budget. Now, Omnisend gives you a free plan for the same 500 contacts, access to most core features, and has a super affordable entry-level option. Oh, and their annual discount goes up to 20%. Not bad. The only hiccup is if your contact list grows fast, pricing scales up quickly. Overall, for the money, Omnisend's got the edge here.
Let's jump over to features. GetResponse goes all out. Seriously, you get this AI email builder, landing pages, sign-up forms, even webinar hosting, plus transactional emails. There are like 170 plus integrations. Very stacked. Not gonna lie, if you're focused only on e-commerce, it might feel a little overkill. And there has been some shade thrown their way about customer service, especially around billing. Omnisend, though, really shines in advanced automation stuff for online stores. It's so easy to drop in product links and coupons right into your campaigns. Plus, you get email, SMS, push, and even social ads, but no webinars and fewer integrations compared to GetResponse. Between the two, GetResponse just grabs the win for sheer firepower. Next up, automation and ease of use. GetResponse has this epic workflow builder that lets you map out some pretty complex campaigns. Super powerful if you like geeking out with your marketing, but yeah, if you're brand new, you might be scratching your head for a bit. Omnisend, total game changer for e-commerce flows. You want plug-and-play, beginner-friendly automation? You're basically set. If you run a store, it's unbeatable, but it's not as flexible for folks outside retail. Still, Omnisend makes it way easier for most people, so I'm giving this round to them. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Omnisend users see on average a 10% higher order rate when they combine email and SMS automations? Pretty wild if you're looking to boost those sales fast. All right, customer support. GetResponse has a lineup. Emails, chat, phone, Slack, and on some plans, you even get a dedicated manager. But here's the tea. People have mixed feelings, especially when it comes to ticket times and billing issues. Omnisend, on the other hand, is kind of legendary for their support game. You get 24/7 live chat and email. Yes, even if you're on the free plan. Median response time? Under 4 minutes. Now, just keep in mind, no phone support. But still, for support that actually shows up, Omnisend is the clear winner. E-commerce capabilities. Let's talk about it. GetResponse does have some cool e-commerce integrations, so you can definitely set up online store campaigns. But honestly, it's not built from the ground up with e-commerce in mind. Omnisend, pure e-commerce muscle. Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, it handles them all. Throw in built-in SMS and product recommendations, and you're golden, unless you're not in retail, in which case it's less versatile. If selling online's your thing, Omnisend is the obvious pick. Integrations and extensibility is next. GetResponse leads here with a whopping 170 plus integrations. Seriously, Zapier, Shopify, WordPress, you name it, it probably works with GetResponse. Omnisend's got over 130 and pretty much every major e-commerce platform, but some niche stuff isn't covered. For pure integration power, GetResponse takes this one. Last category, reporting and analytics. GetResponse basically gives you a dashboard for everything. Your automations, campaign results, you name it. Omnisend goes deep where it matters for e-commerce. ROI, sales attribution, real-time stats, so you see right away what's converting. If you're just looking for strong analytics, honestly, both are solid. I'm gonna call this one a tie.
All right, let's take a quick peek at the radar chart comparison. This should give you a bird's eye view of how each tool stacks up in all those categories. You can really see where each shines. So, wrapping this all up, here's my hot take. If you want an all-in-one system, especially one with webinars and the flexibility to run all kinds of campaigns regardless of industry, GetResponse is where you should probably land. But if you run an online store and you want the easiest, most powerful marketing automations for e-commerce, plus SMS and all the omni-channel goodies, Omnisend is your move. Need the right tool for your next campaign? Compare them for yourself, give them a test run, and get ready to level up your marketing game.